Okay, I've got image stabilisation switched on, and I've got wind noise reduction switched on. It's very windy. Look, there's the beacon. Even closer. Even closer. It goes right in, but then you have to start messing around with the manual focus. This camera's great. I love it. Let's have a little walk along the top of Bison Hill. Now, what do I want to do with the zoom? Should I take it right out? Take it right out for now. Oh, that is so steady. And it's comfortable. It weighs nothing. So much easier to control. But that's how it was. Let's have a look out across the river. That's only a tiny little bit of zooming in. Just to, just to fit the frame. It does a hell of a lot more than that. It'll be interesting to see. The wind is really strong. It'll be interesting to see how this audio does come out. Right. Let's see how much we can get of Tottenham Castle. There's Tottenham. There's the mound. Wow. Yeah, there you go, that little mound with the chalky path on it. Oh, the wind's blowing, it's knocking me around. Where's it gone? I can't hold it steady. Yeah, that's incredible, that's amazing. I've never been able to see Tottenham Castle from Bison Hill. I'm going to try the tripod now. I've got a proper old school tripod. I've been using it as a rifle rest for about, I don't know, the last 10 years. I'm going to put it back into use now as a downs. And I'm making no effort whatsoever here really to try and hold the camera steady. I'm just walking with my arm out in front of me. I'm not trying to hold it steady, and yet looking at this screen, it's doing a decent job. Okay, let's zoom in across. We're going to go over the allotment in a minute, and I'll grab my tripod. And we'll have a little play like that. See how that goes. I can't wait to hear what that noise, that wind noise sounds like. If it's bad, I'll just have to cut some bits of sponge. It does work. The sun's popped out briefly. Yeah, when you're zoomed right out, that's when the image stabilisation seems to work best. I'm liking this. Haven't tried it the other way around yet. How's this look? Nice and stable. Yep. I like it. I know it's a bit windy for these close-ups, but just out of interest, you know. See if I can hold one still. I've got to get used to the position of the lens against the screen because it's completely different to my tablet was. What are you making all the noise about, eh? Okay, one last little quick test just to see how the microphone sounds when I'm standing directly in front of it talking to the camera. That's enough of the playing around really. I just wanted to get a feel for the thing and see what the images look like and all the rest of it, how it all comes out. I have to say, I'm impressed so far. Now the big hurdle is going to be when I get this home and whether or not I can actually transfer it into my usual editing app because it's on a laptop. I think I probably can. If you're watching this now on YouTube, it means that I did. Right, see you later. And no, the wind noise reduction function is not sufficient.